Hello guys, welcome to Zack Animate Studios, your channel number one for graphic design, coding and animation. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and be part of our community. I'm just greeting each and every one of you from Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Nigeria. It has been a while and just want to thank God for everything. But before we continue, this video is sponsored by Mediacom Dev Solutions. They are expert in digital marketing, graphic design, software development, and just to say, this video is sponsored by me. So guys, if you want to get those services of web development, graphic design, you guys can always reach us out on our website page. You can write us an email, you can reach us out, and we will be glad to serve you in creating websites, graphic design solutions and all that. And just before to continue, we want to start a series here of empowering our youth. Guys, I want to bring down all the entrepreneurs, all the creative. So basically we just want to use this platform to empower our own, so that you may have a useful skill that can help you grow as a business or as a person. So guys, without further ado, we are just going to talk about some of the frameworks that we have in the industry. We have so many industries, we have so many frameworks all over, and I believe the tool that you use will always give you a result of what you are looking for. So basically, the tool that you use is going to enable you to develop a good product for either a service that you want into the market. That is, there are so many. We have Laravel, we have JavaScript, we have Eloquent, we have React, we have React Native, and all these tools we have. These are just platforms. Platforms come and go, and they keep on evolving as time goes by, because as you can see that we are expecting on our Laravel community, we are expecting Laravel 10, Laravel 9 was just some few months ago, and they are saying that they're not going to be supporting Laravel, something to do with 8 point something, 8.1, something like that. But that does not stop us from building, learning new skills. As my friend said, if you want to grow and be a superb person in this industry right now, you just have to learn one skill. Learn graphic design, learn web development, learn animation. Guys, I've just realized in this community there is a field that has never been touched, that has never been explored. And you can imagine, if you have these tools, trust me, it can improve the rate of income that you're having. Guys, I want just to tell you, go start learning how to do graphic design. Graphic design is so wide. You can be absorbed in so a wide variety of industry. There is gaming, there is video production, there is photo shooting, all that, photo editing, video industry, that is animation for both the TV production. So guys, and it starts with the information that we are given. So guys, today I want to tell you that we have to look at the tools that you are going to use. So First, you must have a good computer. A good computer ranges from, the best computer that you can have must be Core i5, 8 to 16 GB. That is RAM processor, and the best that you can start with, it's a 2 GB or 4 GB. I think I have a 2 GB card here. You can have a 2 GB card, like a 2 GB card. This one can help you. A 2 GB card. A 2 GB card can help you start doing some great stuff. You can do animations. If I can turn to my computer, you can imagine I have a 2 GB card. You can see the type of applications that I have. I have iClone, you have OBS, you have Unreal Engine. So all this stuff, all these applications, you can start meddling with them, seeing how they work. And hard disk, you can start with the, if you have money, go for the higher, the SSD. That is SSD if you can get like 1 terabyte, okay? Because as I will also tell you that if you have these applications, they are massive applications, and each application, like Unreal Engine takes like 50 GB of your PC. iClone takes 4 to 8 GB. Yeah, 4 to 8 GB if you have the entire setup. That is, you have character creator, you have character creator, you have iClone, you have Headshot, guys. And then let's go, if you are doing graphic design, maybe you are having Adobe Photoshop. You can try, because if you want to do a lot of editing, if you want to do a lot of like video streaming, like what I'm doing right now, you can use Prism Studio, you can use Camtasia, you can use all these applications. So it is a base. It's a base. Let me say it is a base setup that you can start working on. Then when God blesses you abundantly, now you can move to having like SSDs and having Ryzen computers and all that. Like those are dream PC that we are really praying that then, so that you move from 2 GB to 4 GB, or you get a 4 GB card which goes at around 14,000. So that is what I'm talking about. So, and then if you are a graphic designer, you don't need, if you are a coder, you don't need all that. You just need softwares to help you. And the most basic software that you may need is the basic software that you may need is let's just take a look at them. Let's go full screen. You need Visual Studio Code. You need Visual Studio Code, you need XAMPP. You can imagine these are just the best tools that you need. And then now Node.js, like you need Node.js. These are some of the applications that you need to hover around knowing these applications. And then now, all in all, you need internet. So guys, if you have internet, you can do a lot of stuff, because basically you will need to research, you need to do study, you need to do a lot of references, and you don't need to go to campus to do all this. If you time well and you get yourself to have like a sticky note. The sticky note is where you do the to-dos. You just write down your to-dos. Maybe you are doing a website, you want to do graphic design, you want to do a website. You set down some goals and principles that you want to achieve. Let's say you want to achieve getting you want your application to upload image, something like that, and search upload image upload image. So you can have that a season application that will upload an image, something like that. That has like registration. As you can see, these are some small goals that you're setting up, but it has a lot of broad features that needs to be implemented on that. So guys, you'll come to realize, okay, then there are some features that are required. So this is more of a self-taught approach, but if you want to do now a much better thing, then you can just do the way. So with this, you will learn the basics. You have to learn like the basics of web development and all that, the configurations, all that you need to put them into place. So guys, just to remind ourselves is have a good computer, a base computer. Trust me, look for starting from i7, i5 to i7 or i9. It's a good deal. i7, i9 is a good deal. So with that, and then if you're doing coding, you don't need you don't need a graphic card. If you're doing programming, you just need the CPU power and the space, that is. So with that, I'm hoping that this simple information can help you out, and then we'll start to look at how if you want to do coding, then my choice is look at a platform that is wide, that can cover will encompass all the major roles that are in all the players in the system. So my choice will always remain to be Laravel. Laravel is a good tool. It's a PHP. It is a PHP, JavaScript, Laravel. Let's just look at it. Laravel framework. It's a good platform that encompasses. It has a wide version. It has a wide tool lake. It captures a wide range of industry in terms of let's say when you want to use like React, you can use Vue on it. That is the JavaScript parts of the application. You can use all that JavaScript using Review. So instead of starting to learn, you can basically, my point is, learn JavaScript, the core JavaScript, and then you can use now the skills that you have to use to implement them on your applications using React, Vue native, or Vue. Vue it's also a platform, so it is encompassed on PHP, Laravel at the same time, and then you can still do databases, that is MySQL, Postgre. You can use all that on your platform. So basically, you can use all those features on your application. Let me not go too far. I've talked a lot, and I just want to encourage each and everyone from Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Indonesia, Russia. Guys, if you want to continue with us, you can hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and be part of our community, so that you don't miss out on what we on the journey we have embarked to undertake. So guys, we'll do a lot of graphic design, we'll do a lot of animation, guys. There's something to do with iClone, there's something to do with Blender. So guys, you have just to be with us so that you don't miss out on all these skills that we had started, and now we are just building on those scripts. So guys, we want to start a journey on Laravel. Laravel, step by step, guys, understanding the models and migrations, and understanding the template. Basically, you start with the templates, how the filings, basically you look at the filing system. That is in a nutshell, filing system where does your files reside in your applications, and then that is the templates. That is how you arrange your files from the models, the views and controllers. So basically those are the model. Basically it normally uses a principle called model, views and controllers, MVC, and then how to create the we're going to create like validations for all those things, and then you're going to do authentications when somebody registers on your platform. And then so basically we are going to do all these things in a nutshell. Then we're going to also to look at how to debug and handle errors, basically on that. And then we're going to see also how we're going to deploy our applications on a live server. So guys, if you are an entrepreneur and you want just to help us, also if you are an entrepreneur, a sponsor, you want to sponsor us, guys, please sponsor us so that we can reach 1 million and millions and millions of people. So guys, without further ado, guys, it has been a long 16 minutes of my introduction. This is Zach from Zach Anime Studios and the founder of Mediacom Dev Solutions. So guys, if you want to partner with us, guys, can always reach us out and support us, guys. So guys, so that our work should not go in vain, let's touch souls, let's get developers, let's help our youths learn new skills, and may God bless you abundantly and abundantly and abundantly. So guys, reach us out on our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So guys, adios, and let's catch up on the next video.